Hi everyone, my name is Kalyan Kumar Gaddam. In this video, I want to share my reflection on the principles of project management module and the experience I had while working on my project portfolio. I created a hypothetical event, a cybersecurity awareness campaign at Ravensbourne University. The main idea was to educate students and staff on how to stay safe online and respond to cyber threats in real life. In this reflection, I would talk about three main things: the challenges I faced, the strategies I used, and most importantly, how this whole journey changed my perspective on project management. So, let's start with what I have learned from this experience. At first, I thought project management was just about creating timelines and assigning tasks, but I soon realized that it's much more than that. It's about leading people, adapting to change, and making smart decisions when things don't go as planned. I learned to use tools like the work breakdown structure and Gantt charts for visual planning and RSA matrix for team roles and a risk matrix to prepare for problems before they happen. These tools were useful, but what really helped was understanding how to apply them practically, not just in theory. And that's the biggest takeaway for me. Project management is about application, not just a memorization. Now, let me talk about the challenges I faced during this process. The biggest challenge was estimating cost. Since the event was imaginary, I couldn't get real vendor quotes. So I had to do secondary research, checking online prices and making smart guesses. Another challenge was building a fictional team. I had to assign roles and responsibilities to 6 people and still make it feel like a real work team. This helped me understanding how important it is to have a clear structure and communication plan. And also, planning a tech heavy event like a cybersecurity campaign made me think deeper about event risks, technical needs, and how to keep people engaged. All of this pushed me outside my comfort zone, but in a good way. So, how did I manage those challenges? Well, first I followed a step by step approach. I started by defining the project scope, then broke it down into small tasks using the WBS. Secondly, I did a lot of online research. I looked at real events, checked the actual prices, and used platforms like Eventbrite for ideas. Thirdly, I made realistic assumptions when I didn't have data. I used logic and best practices to fill the gaps. And lastly, I focused on the main goal to create an event that's useful, meaning, and educational for everyone involved. This module gave me some powerful insights. I realized that project management is not a just technical. It's also a emotional and human. You need to listen to your team first, understand what could go wrong, and also be ready with a plan B. And also, the importance of risk management became very clear. If something can go wrong, it probably will. So, being prepared is half the battle won. And most importantly, I learned the value of stakeholder communication, whether it's your team or sponsors or attendees. Keeping people informed is what keeps the project moving smoothly. Before doing this project, I honestly thought project management was just a boring admin role. But now I see it as a strategic, creative, and leadership driven profession. This experience showed me that I enjoy taking ownership of ideas, leading a team, and delivering something from start to finish. It also made me realize that I still have areas to improve, like public speaking, budgeting, and team motivation. But now I am more motivated than ever to work on those skills. Moving forward, I have made a simple action plan for myself. I want to take a certification like Prince 2 or PMP. Intern with an organization that runs events or projects and improve my budgeting and communication skills as well. These steps will help me become a better project management manager both in theory and in real life. To end this video, I just want to say this project was more than just an assignment for me. It was a chance to learn, grow, and see what I am capable of. From the first page to final plan, this journey was helped me to understand now the project management is also to do. Thanks for watching my video for support throughout this module. Thank you.